Welcome to Alchemy and Hair Extension. In this video today we're going to talk about toppers. It's one of the most popular hair pieces for women who are looking for volume in the top area, the crown area. Let me take some questions and I'll probably give you some information regarding toppers. How do you fix this? Can you fix them on your own? Absolutely. These are these clip-on ones. So you can fully fix these on your own. Of course, what you need to do is you need to practice it a couple of times. We can share a few videos how you're supposed to fix it. We can also get one of our experts to show you on video, or if you want to come in person, you can drop in so we make you practice. They look absolutely natural. So while fixing these, the most important part is that you got to take a few strands from your hairline, comb the hair front, and then fix the topper. And then take the hair which you had combed in the front and push it back. Now this gives you slight amount of volume and also maintains that natural look in the front. So these are some tips and tricks that we suggest to make it look a lot more natural. Also after that, blast dry your hairline area. You need a professional dryer. Now when you blast dry it, it tends to give you little volume, little lift from the hairline. When the hair is thinning on top, usually it goes very flat. So what happens is, when you fix the toppers will give you slight volume, but the hairline will go flat. For such cases, what we do is we suggest blast drying it so that that root area gets that lift. It sits well on the toppers and blends beautifully. So I think it's an excellent option if you're looking for something to cover the hair area on top. What lengths are available? The lengths are available, so usually these are the ones that we customize it, but just to give you an idea, the length is available anything from 12 inches to 20 inches. How long does it take? Well, we have the common shapes, we usually stock them, and we stock the bases and then we implant the hair. If we have your size, then probably we can make it available for you probably within 7 days. Or if we have to fully customize it, then maybe it will take a month's time. What I suggest is you can consult with our hair experts and we can tell you that how long would it take depending on the size, the texture, the volume. How do you measure the size? Basically the top area is slightly thinning. Now let's say the thinning area is around 5 inches. So the size that you will choose would be probably 6 inches wider, because you're going to clip it to your natural hairs. So you need to take a slightly bigger size so that you can clip it to your natural hair. So let's discuss the pricing part. Usually the cost of the toppers, usually skin-based toppers would cost, they start from 18,000, they will go up to 40,000. It totally depends on the length and the volume. And if it's a fully customized one, it even be higher. So just to get the exact pricing, what I suggest you can consult with one of our experts and you can drop in for a consultation or do a video consultation. We can understand your requirement and we can tell you that which will be the right option for you. Is it detectable? Well, if you wear it right, if you practice it and if you style it well, it's not detectable at all. You need to put in a little effort. Does the hairline look natural? Well, we do not suggest you wearing it backwards. We always suggest you basically wearing like a loose pony or leaving the hair open, because choppers are meant for the top area, not for the hairline. So what we suggest is fixing it in such a way, taking a little bit of your hairline and wearing the toppers behind the hairline. So it does give you that volume and it will look natural. Well, the toppers that we use, usually we take the highest quality skin. The skin color is exactly like how Indian hair skin color is. And we also use human hair double drawn Remy, which is the highest quality hair. Now what happens is, when you use this kind of quality of hair, usually the flow of the hair, the feel of the hair is exactly like your natural hair, because it is real human hair. So we suggest usually when you choose the toppers, choose the highest quality one, because usually if you use any form of low grade hair, it may look fake. Can you stick these choppers permanently? Well, we do not suggest this if you're at the initial stage of hair loss. However, if you feel that the hair loss is quite a bit and you feel that the scalp is too visible, and if you do not have enough hair also to clip it up, then yes, we do stick this. Only thing is you need monthly servicing, and I don't think that servicing can be done at home, so probably you got to do it with somebody who's extremely trained with this, because we do the non-surgical hair replacement as well. Servicing meaning you got to remove it with the remover, then shave off that area again because the slight hair grows out, clean the base and fix it again. What is the life of a topper extension? They last anything from a year to 2 years. Of course, they don't tear off, but what happens is the density keeps reducing, so after a point you would feel that it's gone pretty thin and you would want a new one. However, we have a lot of clients who probably take a lot of care. In their cases, it's lasted for more than 3 years as well. However, if you're going to stick it, it would probably last for 6 months to a year maximum, because there's more wear and tear, so it starts thinning even more. What are the right shampoo and conditioner? Well, you can use the sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. You got to take care. You got to be extremely careful when you shampoo and condition them. You got to just shampoo them in just one direction from up to down, and do not massage it, or just be very, very gentle. Apply the conditioner and leave it for some time and then rinse it off. However, if you bought the toppers from us, what we suggest is sending the toppers once a month at least, so we can service them, we can apply the lotions, soften them and give it back to you. It will look much healthier. It will not look as dry. Well, I believe we provided you quite a bit of information as far as toppers extensions are concerned. Well, if you have any more questions, you can book a consultation with one of our experts in hair extensions. You can contact 9967123333. If there are any more queries, you can comment in the comment box. We'll get an idea of what are the kind of questions you have, and then we'll try to understand your concern and try to make a video on this. Thank you so much, and subscribe to Alchemy Hair Extensions. Thank you.